Hello, it is almost spring here in New York, and to celebrate, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely bunch of coconuts. And no, it's not what you're thinking right now. Get your mind out of the gutter. A lovely bunch of coconuts is the name I've given to this delightful fizzy tiki drink right here. So, let's get started. And there you have it, a lovely bunch of coconuts. Cheers everyone, and remember to go to organicmixology.com to purchase organic mixology liqueurs.